How to add Instagram story highlights. There are two ways to do this. The first one, go to your profile page, tap on the plus button on your upper right corner, and click story highlight. And here you will find your story archive. It's all the story you have been posted before and you let it for 24 hours. Keep in mind, if you never post a story and let it for 24 hours before, you will not find any video here. So you can just click the story you want as your highlight. Then tap on next. Create your name for your highlights. And tap on add. And there you go. And the second way is when you want to put new story in your highlight. So first, tap on the plus button on your upper right corner, select story, and tap on any image or video you want to make as your highlights. Then tap on this arrow button at the lower screen and choose share. After that, tap on add to highlights. Then tap the plus button. Then name your highlights. Tap on done. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.